So today we're going to be looking at compound interest. Compound interest, so it's slightly different to simple interest, and it is the stuff that most people use in the bank, and you'll need a calculator for this. What is compound interest? Well, it's best done with an illustration. So say we've got Fred here who puts some money in at a bank at a compound interest rate of 10% per annum. Let me show you what it is. Let's say he puts in £400, okay, at 10%, okay? And let's see how much after 4 years, how much does he have? So that's our setup question. And how do we answer it? Well, it's not like simple, which simply would be 10% of 440 times by 4. No, it's compound. What it means is he puts the original amount in, and after 1 year, he gets 440. Now, how have I done that? That's called multiplier. Check out the video on multipliers. But that's an increase of 10%, and that's 1.1. So that's how much money he gets after year 1. But then what happens, assuming he doesn't take any money out, that now goes into the second year as not 400, but 440. And that is then times by 1.1. So what I do is I have 440 times 1.1 equals 484. And then that is put in for the next year. Let's choose this colour here. So 448 is put in there, and that is times by 1.1. £532.40p. And then finally, that is put in to the account. Now you should be asking, is there a quicker way to do this? And yes, there is. So let's just get to this amount, and I'll show you. £555.64p. Now, is there a quicker way? Well, yes. What you should see here is that you've got the original amount, and you're always timesing it by 1.10, which is the interest rate. But you've done it times once, twice, 3, 4 times. So it's 4 to the power of 4. And that tells you the number of terms. And that will give you straight away that value there. So what's important here, and what you need to realise, is that the formula for doing this is your principal amount, which we can call P, times the multiplier. Okay, let's call it a multiplier, to the power of T, the number of terms. And that will give you total investment. So take that away from the original, tells you how much interest he's made, but that gives you the total amount they've made. And that's a nice way of doing compound interest. Hope it's helped.